Hello everyone, it's Peter here. So we've got a second part of the Lenovo. Guys, customer decided to proceed with a original display, which I found on AliExpress for 75 pounds. I should press it like that and it should go out. Okay, we've got it. 4 pins only here. And there are 4 screws. I'll unscrew them and I'll unpause the video. Okay, I've got a last one here. I left it just to show you that I need to hold this one, because if no, it will press you and will make you trouble. So just hold your stand with one hand, and then you've got a, oh, it's quite heavy. Okay, and then you can do it. Okay, so the next step to open it is actually here. You see this thing? You can open it. Oh, and there is a screw. Now this screw has an arrow here, which you might not see, but it is. Okay, and it's pointing to the bottom, so I need to press it to the bottom. And when you'll do it, it should open the screen. Should give a cracking noise and should do. Oh, it does. It does crack, and it's starting to open, so that's okay. Now what we need is some pry tool, okay, so that we can use it in between, and that's us. The rest you can do yourself, that's not a problem. As long as we can pry it. Don't want to insert too much because I haven't done this model and I don't know what's underneath. Speakers are here, so I don't know. That's too soft. That's just too soft. Okay, now it's going. So it's no point to record it. You will know how to do it. I'll unpause it when I'll finish it. Now, a word of advice. If you'll do something really thin, okay, you will lift up only the screen itself, and that's dangerous. Now this screen is damaged anyway, and I'm just checking its model, yes, so it's fine. If I'll damage it, it will be a new one here anyway. But if you want to open it without damaging it, yes, you need to go across this side and lift up everything, not only the screen. So just guys, watch out, because there are other videos and these videos not showing it, yes. So if you will open it, yes, and you will open only with a screen and you will damage the screen, and you meant to, let's say, upgrade something else in it and not damage the screen, you will end up in the trouble. And these screens can be really dear, depend on the model, yes. So I can't tell you for your model, yes, how much they cost, but I know they are not cheap. So better to use something, so it will go out. You see how it's going? Now it's going the right way. That's how it should go out, yes? Not only the screen, please, because you will end up in trouble, and then you will say, Peter showed me this, yes? What a loser. And you see, now it's going out, okay? So that's what it is, guys. And now its whole box is going out. Okay, you see, everything must go as is. Now hold it again and pry it. Hold it and pry it. Okay. Oh, that went inside. Pry tool went too deep. Okay, now here, okay, here should come out, or not. Yeah, it did. Watch out, there is one cable, I see here, yes, there is one cable, and this is hooked up on the tape. Okay, so we can, oh, and at the bottom there is as well something which is like this. It's a tray. That's for an external hard drive, I'd say. Okay, let's put it flat and let's see what we've got. Now you see, that's the cable I was talking about, looking like antenna or something. Well, let's pull it. Okay, I don't need to do it, but I want to show you. Okay, and there is just a pull out plug, and that's you. That's everything. What I wanted to check was only the screen. Okay, so I've got it here and I can check it. Here is another sticker on the screen. So I'll check these two. Oh, sorry guys, I haven't noticed that it is. But that's it, that's everything in this recording actually. So guys, just watch out on when you're removing it, yes, so the screen will stay where it's supposed to stay. Now I see that it's a wee bit of a problem because it's to replace this screen we will have some fun because the chassis is melted together with the back. So I'll try to open it, I'll try to do my best, but I'm not 100% sure if I don't have to melt these ones. Hopefully not, because I've been there and I've done that with some of the solutions, mainly in laptops, that I had to melt those those thingies here, and then I was able to replace the screen. Fingers crossed this is a good one, because it's going off from here as we've seen at the beginning, so we know we can do it. So that's it guys, the rest is here. You can look where the screws are, so I won't be recording that because I will be wasting your time only. And underneath you've got a main board, you've got all other components which makes it as a computer, and then connect to the screen. We will record it as well in the next part, probably when the screen will come, okay? But now I'm just doing it so that I can order the screen and make sure that I get the right model. That's it guys, thank you for watching, hope you've got value out of it. If possible, let's fix them all, and see you in the next video. Likes to you if you send me likes or subscribes. Thank you, bye bye.